check out this drone. Now, when I received this drone, I thought it was cool. Then I started to check it out a little bit more, and now I think it's really amazing. And the price of this thing, well, it's really inexpensive. You're going to be amazed, but let me just show you what you get first. So it's a mini drone, and let me just get rid of the foam. Look at that. It's got a little rubbery handle thing here, so you can tell it's probably made for little people. And it looks like a ladybug. This is actually a controller. We're going to put it together. The drone's in the center. All your accessories are on the back. So you've got your joysticks, extra props, you got prop guards, you got your USB charger to charge up the drone. And let's just flip that open. And there's our drone itself. It just comes out. It fits in nicely. I'm trying to do this while looking at a camera. Let's take a really close look at the drone itself. You can see it's got little foldable arms, so let's unfold them. So could you imagine if you have your niece or nephew or some child playing with this? They're gonna have a lot of fun. And that's all there is. It's a little light on the front and an on-off switch right here. Just push that and everything comes to life. That is it. It's that simple. So really cool drone. Now let me show you how it works. Now the larger control unit actually requires batteries, so you have to put 2 AAA batteries in here. Then you flip it over, open up the back, and the only thing you need are the joysticks. Pull those out, so you have 2 little joysticks here. It also comes with these really tiny prop guards you can put on, but I haven't tried it with the prop guards. These 2 joysticks fit right here in these little holes, so you just push them in, that's all it is. Next, all you do is hit the power button, comes to life, put it down, and we're almost all set to go. Now you have your little controller, open it up. Inside here, there's a little switch. I don't know if you can see it. Flick that on, we are powered. Move your joystick. You actually hold it like this. It looks like it's backwards. You hold it like this with the joysticks to the front. Move that up and down. And look at that, we're ready to go. It's spinning, and I'm gonna smash into the camera just by hitting the takeoff button, which is right over here. Here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a quick flight test of this here little Ladybug drone. Actually, on my screen over here, they call it the H12. So let me put that down. Now, so you can see what I'm doing, I have my GoPro hat right here, and I'm going to put this here hat on my head, so everything will now be in focus. There we go. So here's the Ladybug over here. You can see it nice close up. And my controller. All right, we're all set to take off. Pull these little joysticks outwards, it unlocks it. Hit the takeoff button, and we're up. And there we go. So we have our little drone flying. Let's bring it up someplace where we could see it. There it is. So you can imagine kids would have fun with this, flying this around the house, and it's got tiny little props. You can't hurt yourself. So on here, you have a few little things. You have Flippy Mode. I'll try Flippy Mode without killing myself here. So it says, bring this up, push this button in. So let's bring it up a little bit. Push this button in, and then move it to the right. There we go. I got Flippy Mode. I didn't hit the ceiling. And you have a few other modes on here too, besides flying it around. You have a land mode, a return to home, a headless mode. Here's the mode I'm told that children love. I don't know why, but they love this. It's called the funnel mode. To me, it's called the totally out of control mode. So basically you hit this little funnel button right here. It looks like a drone spinning around in circles. Here, let's bring my little drone over there. So you hit that, then you move your left joystick. So watch this. I call it the out of control mode. But kids love it. I don't know why. So you hit that, and now I go to the left because I want it to spin to the left. And there we go. So I have a drone out of control, spinning. Kids love this. I have no idea why. And then if I hit it again, I bring it back to normal. And then there's a land button on here, which I'll just bring over here. Hit this button, and she goes back down. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is this little, what's it called again? The H12. It's pretty decent. And I think it's around $20 US, or maybe it's a little bit more. I can't see the price. Maybe it's $29. Anyways, check the link below. If you have somebody who's a niece or a nephew or some young child, they would love this thing. This is so cool. And it's on Amazon, so you gotta check it out. I think it's pretty cool. I'm not a kid, but I'm like a kid playing with it. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video.